Okay, guys, today we're gonna be playing Scary Monkey Horror. Alright, so, whoa. Oh, this is Halloween update, okay. You can't turn, that sucks. Alright, so I'm yellow, and tutorial looks extra dark, and it's flashing, and there's no light for some reason. Alright, let's go. I'm taking Ninja Warrior course, because I'm cool. Alright, now we have a flashlight that you can turn on and off. How? Oh, never mind, no you don't. Okay. Well, the tutorial's creepy. Yo guys, I'm in tutorial! Do I just jump down? I'm down! Guys, how do I play Scary Monkey Horror? I just got this game. You guys, how do I play Scary Monkey Horror?
Big black guy.
Yo, bro. Blue, how do I play this game? I just got it.
So it's like gorilla tag, but you get chased by monsters.
Okay.
You get chased by monsters and you gotta run away from them. And there are jumpscares.
Okay.
But it's pretty fun.
Alright, thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Oh, it just quit your game. Well, I'm gonna blow this part out, obviously. Alright, so the game just quits your game when you get jump scared. Nice to know. I like what it's in here. This way. Oh, never mind. It's not gonna show. Oh, whoa. I look really cool. I have like a little hat on. Nothing here. Okay. Whoa. Alright, let's join an option one. Okay. That's boring. You guys, I'm brand new to this game. I just got it.
I want to try to play. Wait, I want to
Okay. There we go.
I'm so fast. Watch this. Watch this. No. Wait.
Hey, there's someone back here. No, there's not. The hat just moves. Whoa, this game is so cool. I literally have never had this before. I'm gonna go get a cosmetic. I think you can get cosmetics in this game. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try. Oh wow, this is old gorilla. Is there anything scary in here? I want to buy a cosmetic. My scarf. Whoa, this is really cool.
Yo, we
I
got
can't try it on.
weapons. We got weapons. We even got Pokeball.
This is so cool.
3 minutes for shiny rocks. What the sound?
Oh, you can't use cosmetics?
Why can't you buy stuff?
You're not allowed. It's creepy. Why is there a pineapple back here?
Why can't we buy anything? Why is this stuff here? I just got this. How do you get weapons? How do you get weapons?
Bro, over here, look.
How about cosmetics? I want cosmetics. I want cosmetics. Can you get cosmetics? Can you get cosmetics?
Oh.
Yo, guys, can you put on cosmetics and can you get cosmetics?
Which one?
Because I really want cosmetics.
No.
Why is it targeting me?
Because you poopy. Oh, you can buy stuff. Ooh, I want all this. I want that.
Yo, can you see my item? Can you see my item?
Nope, you don't have anything. How do we get stuff, bro?
Full trouble.
There's blood rain, bro.
Kill him, Lucy! Kill him!
There's blood rain.
Ooh, it is blood rain. Let me check if that actually can. No.
Community.
I'm going
Hey,
to
Meta.
mountain,
Guys,
see ya. I'm going to mountain.
Okay, good then.
The back room's right here.
Yeah, the back room is right here, but I don't really want to.
Dumbass.
Ew, that's
Right
gross.
there.
Behind
It's right there where it usually is. Guys, go through the portal. Go through the portal.
Bro.
Whoa! And you have to go past this. You have to go past this.
Whoa.
Yeah, you have to go trippy, bro.
This is too trippy, bro. I
slippery.
can't.
Go back to him, guys. Guys, I'm back to him.
Yeah, we're in the back rooms right now, bro.
Guys.
Whoa. Whoa, this is creepy as frick. Following you. Whoa. We're outside
It's outside of the map.
We're outside of the map. You can come outside the map
I'm
here.
gonna go down. See ya. Wants to come with me? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Where the heck are we? I have never
Okay,
played
guys.
this game in my life.
Okay, I
Whoa,
played this
you
game
look-
before.
you look so
I
cool.
played this game before.
I love your
I played
color
this game
code.
before. I played
I
this
love
game
your
before.
color code.
Juan
No,
gave us his color code.
You did?
I know where the exit is.
Yeah.
I know where the exit. Okay. The monster is like, yeah, it's up there. Follow me.
Oh no. Oh my god.
We're in the back rooms. We're in the back rooms.
Every Fun Monkey Horror owns this.
This is not Gorilla Tag. It's horror Gorilla Tag.
That's our first wall in like forever. Well, yeah, it's like OG Fun Monkey. Well,
It's Fun Monkey
owned
Horror,
by,
but with the Gorilla Tag model.
no, this is way older than Fun Monkey Horror. Like, this is like Super Tag's background.
Wait, really?
Super old. Yeah.
Was
You
it like
look up Gorilla Tag Horror? You could find this from like 2 years ago.
2022 or 2023?
Yeah, 2022 or 2021. One of the two.
Oh,
No,
well
this
then that
is
would be
like a
4.
rebound
That would be
version.
3 or 4 years ago.
Oh.
I told you guys.
Which one?
Either slide works. Either slide works.
Purple. Woo! Put your hands up.
Monkey Horror works.
Yo, chill. Come on, guys. Let's go. You see the
Oh, I
light,
love
you
the
see
song.
We're in
I
level
love
5.
the song. Everyone be quiet real quick.